Hi people, I'm going to try and not say once. It's never going to work. And there we are. Some sawdust and coffee. So we're unboxing the Erbauer 2100 router. I got this. I do have a good Makita router and also a trim router, flex trim router. But I want to flatten some boards using a router jig, which I've made, but I couldn't get the depth from the Makita. Not a reasonable depth, so I really got this for just that one use. So hopefully this will do it. It's 60mm depth of cut, so that should work with the cross section. The router will sit in here, move across. Not actually in this one because the base of the Makita is smaller than the base of the Erbauer, so I'll be making a video on remaking this jig now. So we have the router itself, multi-speed, good precise depth gauge, the normal depth stop. That's about it. Pretty standard, very reasonable. I think it was definitely from Screwfix, and I think it was £60–70. So as it's for a sort of one use, I didn't go for the. I would like to get everything top notch, but that's not possible budget wise. So this will work for this one use. So the first thing is, these are locked in with wing nuts across the top of the edge guide, which I didn't realise. So that took me 5 minutes to get it out. So there we are, pretty sturdy, standard stuff. It does have a precise rod to dial in the distance. We'll have a look at that in a bit. So there's that. 2 bushings, 3 cutters actually. This is inch thick shank, so that's handy as I didn't actually have any inch thick shanks, although I'm not too sure what use those 3 will be. First thing I'm going to do, as always, is mark what the spanner's for, because I now have about 12, 13 to avoid confusion. Permanent marker, and then I know I can mix them up and still know what's what. Small dust collection and the collets. That'd be 3/8, definitely 1/2 inch and inch. That's it, box is empty. That's the unboxing. So now it's on to use, but that was just a short video on unboxing the Erbauer 2100 I got from Screwfix 24 hours ago. So, and as I say, £60–70. Looks sturdy. We'll see in future videos how that works out. Thanks for watching this short video.